You are to answer these questions knowing fully well that the devil is listening. You are to answer these questions knowing fully well that God is listening. When the battle is hot, are you going to run from the devil? Are you going to retreat? Are you going to surrender? Is Jesus alive? Is our commander-in-chief in control? Is the one in you greater than the one in the world? Than a conqueror? Are we going to laugh last? And with a salute to the Lord of hosts, I want you to shout the biggest hallelujah you have ever shouted.